Hello everyone, my name is Patrick NICASIO and I will be teaching you how to disassemble a system unit. So firstly, let's practice OHS. Ano ba ang OHS? Occupational Health Safety. So let's remove any metal materials in our body to avoid friction and shorts. Yes. Okay. Okay, hello again. So this is our system unit, the one we will be disassembling. So let's start by removing the case. So to remove the case, you can use our hands, but other models have screws on the side. So on our system unit, we don't have screws on the side, so we will be using our hands. So this is the screw that we will be using to disassemble the system unit. So it has this screw head shape. It's a cross. There are different varieties of this, but there are also, this is also the common one. So if you have one, you can use it. And preferably, you can use a bigger one so you can reach tight spaces. Okay, so let's start. So this is the optical disc, and we will remove this by unlocking it right here on the left side. And we will remove the IDE cable, which gives it data to the optical disc. So we have the bird cable or the Molex cable. It is what gives the optical disc power, so let's remove that as well. So we have this, let's put it aside. So let's fully remove the IDE cable before everything else. And let's put this aside. Let's put it here where we can find it and reach it. So this is the Molex or bird cable. It is directly connected to the power supply, which gives power to every component in the system unit. So let's just put this here. Okay, so now let's remove the SATA cable. So your SATA cable may have a different color, but as long as it looks like this, like that, it is a SATA cable, so it should be the same. So to remove the SATA cable, you have to press this metal lock, because when you plug it in, it locks. So if you press this, it will unlock and you can remove it safely. Do not force it or it will break. Okay. So let's remove the SATA cable from the hard disk. Let's put it with the IDE cable. Now let's remove the SATA power cable. It should look like this. It is a cable connected to the power supply. Again, gives power to the hard disk or every component on the system unit. So let's put it aside with the Molex cable. Be sure to not tangle your wires for easier or convenient disassembling and assembling. So let's remove the 20 pin. This 20 pin is what gives power to the whole motherboard. So let's remove that because it's easiest. 20 pins. Then let's remove the 4 pins on the right, usually located at the right bottom of the CPU fan. So this 4 pin is what gives power to the processor that is below the CPU fan. The CPU fan is just the cooler of the processor. So yeah. So you see 4 pins. Let's fix the wires to not tangle them out. Okay, so now that we have removed the power supply cables, let's remove the audio cable located on the bottom right of the motherboard. This is the audio cable. This is what gives power to the audio jacks that we use to connect our headphones in. Okay, so this blue is the USB port. And this USB port is what gives power to the USB in front of the system unit. Right here you can see USB, and this is what powers it. Okay. So now let's remove the front panel ribbon. This is what gives power to the power button or the reset button in front of your system unit. The front panel ribbon. It is connected in the bottom left corner of the motherboard. Okay, let's remove that. So let's put it with the other cables. Now, let's remove the RAM. Unlock the locks first, the 2 locks from both sides. And it should do that. And we should remove it safely from this. And do not hold it in here. That we have removed the components in it. After that, we will remove the hard disk. But let's remove this first. Oh, wait. Yes, actually, yeah. Now that we have removed the screws from the motherboard, let us also remove the power supply screws from the back. Remember to separate your screws so that you don't get confused with them. So this is the motherboard screws and this is the power supply screws. Okay, so let's also remove the screw from the hard disk so we can remove it freely. It's located in here. Ayan, located here. Let us separate it. Okay. So now, firstly, that we have removed the screws, let's remove the hard disk first, so it doesn't block the motherboard from getting removed. Then let's remove the power supply, and you can safely remove it. Remember to avoid putting it on metal surfaces so it doesn't cause damages or short circuits. So now let's remove the motherboard. To securely remove your motherboard safe from damages, let's hold it from the CPU fan or this. So let's hold it in here to remove it. And safely remove it from the system unit, then place it somewhere safe. So as we can see, the system unit is clean. So that's how you remove the components of a system unit. So now I'm gonna hand the camera over to my partner who will be showing you how to assemble a computer.
Hello everyone, I'm and GUANZON and I will be teaching you how to assembly a system unit. Ngayon tapos nang ma-disassembly yung system unit natin, mag-start na tayong i-assembly siya. Yung mga gamitin nating tools is ito lang. Tsaka yung mga screw. Let's start sa motherboard. Make sure na huwag niyong hawakan dito. Dito lang. Lagyan muna natin itong power supply. After that, lagyan natin yung mga screw. Next is power supply. Next is yung hard disk drive. Make sure na pag-release ko. Next is yung RAM natin. Make sure to hold it here. Huwag nyo hahawakan dito. Make sure na naka-unlock na rin yung lock bago nyo ilagay and press. Pag narinig nyo tumunog na, okay na yun. Tapos ilagay naman natin itong mga pins. Ay, yung mga wires. Ilagay muna natin itong USB port dito sa blue. Then next natin ilagay yung audio port, which is yung nandito. Nakikita nyo dito. Next is yung 20 pins. Make sure na nakalagay na maigi. Then next is yung SATA cable. Make sure na press mo muna yung metal bago nyo ipasok dito. Para nakalock na siya. Then put it here. Yan. Sunod is yung front panel ribbon. Make sure na nasa baba to para mapasok na ito. Then let's put it here sa tabi ng SATA cable. Next is yung IED. Ilalagay natin sa optical disk drive. Yan. Next is yung molex or yung bird. Next is yung 4 pins na nagbibigay ng power. Next is yung SATA power cable. Ilalagay natin siya sa tabi ng SATA cable.
Bag.
Ayan. Tapos nga, make sure na hindi tangled yung wires nyo. Then, let's slid down, push down, then slid down para ma-lock.
Midterm.
Yan, kailangan lock na siya. Then, let's get the cover. Finally, lock niya.
Hindi sir. 28 din sir. 28 lang pala ako dyan. Alin? Hindi ko mag-bis eh. Tapos 50 po ako bis.
Now we're done assembling the system unit.
Now that you saw us how we disassembled and assembled the system unit, we hope that you can do it too.
Thank you for watching. Bye!